Exhibiting an exhibitionist, one who has dabbled in this, the fine arts, with everything happening, directing from the heart, reinvention with intention, at the person who is in tune with the universe. Thou'lt become a radio receiver through which the voice of the universe is transmitted, the in-betweener, tweaker, with simple beats amongst major astrological placements, coming out of mind control and mental magic, gained and retained access to your Stargate Divine contracts, and the simple secrets to not get angry with yourself or others, designed to retransfer imposter energies, doppelgangers, and copycats energy harvesting. Added to the list 3 years of frequency static. An unpolished Polish gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man or woman without divine energy interjected trials and tribulations. Don't get me started. One love for the dearly departed. You did it differently. Education of self outside of the education system. When operating in absolute authenticity, it's like this, young G. Peeps don't even know how to approach thee. Thou has outgrown transcendence bestoweth upon thee, smashing of perceived ideas, notions, and stories, growth embracing the great one's frequency. It's streaming for free. I am growing, tempered, advanced steel, strength, alchemy. Embrace your growth, impossible without Great Spirit, G-O-D. It's when you start truly living. Operation Overlord is a decisive and overwhelmingly stunning victory.